Welcome back to Raching Cars, your ultimate destination for everything fast, fierce, and futuristic. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury with a close-up look at the modern modified 2026 Toyota Crown Signia, a bold fusion of innovation, performance, and elegance that redefines what a crossover SUV can be. The exterior design of the 2026 Crown Signia stands as a symbol of prestige and presence. With a reshaped aerodynamic body kit, sleek chrome accents, and an upgraded front grille, this modified version flaunts a sportier look than the stock model. LED matrix headlights and dynamic turn indicators blend seamlessly into its sculpted lines, while 21-inch black alloy wheels with red calipers add a touch of aggressive flair. A dual-tone paint finish with a matte wrap option makes this beast turn heads on every street. Under the hood, the modified Crown Signia doesn't disappoint. Powered by a 2.4-liter turbocharged hybrid engine paired with electric motors, it delivers a combined output of nearly 340 horsepower. Tuned suspension and a performance exhaust system enhance both the drive feel and the sound. An advanced all-wheel drive system with adaptive dampers ensures smooth control whether you're cruising the highway or navigating rough terrain. Inside, luxury and tech are taken to a whole new level. The cabin is wrapped in custom-stitched leather with ambient lighting that can be personalized to your mood. A massive 14-inch infotainment display powered by Toyota's latest UI seamlessly connects with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. An upgraded JBL sound system with 12 speakers delivers concert-like audio quality, while the fully digital driver's cluster and heads-up display keep all key data within sight. The modification also includes ventilated massage seats, a panoramic sunroof, and wireless charging pads in both the front and rear. Rear passengers enjoy reclining seats, individual climate control, and smart window shades. Toyota's latest safety suite, including lane tracing assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera, ensures peace of mind without compromising style. Whether you're a tech lover, a performance enthusiast, or a luxury seeker, the 2026 modified Toyota Crown Signia is a complete package. It's more than a car, it's a statement of modern driving excellence. Thanks for watching Raching Cars, where speed meets sophistication. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thrilling reviews and automotive insights.